Hello student, in this video we talk about how to use the shake effects in Filmora 13, right? So open your Filmora software and then drag and drop your video clip, right? And then click the effects, and in effects then click on video effects, right? And in video effects we click on the shake effects, right? It is all the shake effects in Filmora 13, right? So first I use this shake effect. First I play my this video, right? There is no shaking, right? Now I apply this zoom bounce effect, right? Drag and drop and then press it, right? And now I play it. So you see the zoom bounce effect, right? It is applied. Now I use this shake effect, right? Circular opening, drag and drop, and now I use this flashback effect, right? And now I use this heartbeat. Now I play again my video to see the effect, right? So it is the first effect, it is the second effect, right? It is the third effect, so in this video we learn the shake effects in Filmora 13. Thank you.